Direct replacement. This vehicle lock cylinder kit is designed to match the original components required to repair the lock cylinder on specified vehicles. Ideal solution. This kit is a reliable replacement for original components that are missing or damaged. Durable construction. This kit is made from quality components to ensure reliable performance and a long service life. Trustworthy quality. Backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Tumbler material. Brass. Dorman ignition and door lock cylinders are part to the ignition lock assembly. The ignition and door lock cylinder provides a level of security that requires a coated metal ignition key for the vehicle ignition switch to be operated and energized, thereby allowing the vehicle to be started and car doors unlocked using a key. The Dorman vehicle lock cylinder kit includes everything needed for a complete repair, including door keys, door lock tumblers, ignition tumbler and retainer clips, where applicable. Top reviews from the United States. Issues with fitment. Installation issues not the fault of this part. Dorman door handles do not accept these lock cylinders that are sold with the kit.